Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by selecting a 4 to 6 lb pork shoulder, also called Boston butt, and trim excess silver skin and very large fat pockets. In a small bowl, mix a dry rub, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoons black pepper, and 1 teaspoon cayenne. Massage it into the meat so every surface is coated. Place the rubbed pork on a rack and refrigerate uncovered for at least 1 hour, or ideally, up to 12 hours, to dry the exterior and improve bark development. Preheat your smoker or oven to 225 degrees F and position the pork fat side up on the rack so heat circulates evenly. Cook low and slow for about 1.5 hours per pound, monitoring internal temperature with a probe. When the internal temp reaches 165 degrees F, it will hit the stall. At 165 degrees F, wrap tightly in foil with 1/4 cup apple juice to speed through the stall. Then continue cooking until the probe slides with little resistance and the meat reaches 195 to 205 degrees F. Rest the wrapped pork 30 to 60 minutes before unwrapping to let juices redistribute. Unwrap the rested pork and tilt the foil to drain away excess juices into a bowl for gravy or discard. Remove and discard large unrendered fat pieces. Shred the meat using 2 forks or meat claws until you reach a mix of tender shreds and bite-sized pieces. Avoid overworking so texture remains juicy. Stir in about 1 cup of your favorite BBQ sauce. Taste and add more to reach desired moisture and flavor. Serve hot on buns with coleslaw or pickles. Leftovers keep 3 to 4 days refrigerated or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.